Hey, welcome back. We're now at the third module, which is Google AdWords, the mechanics. This module will equip you with the answers you've been looking for in generating traffic or leads via Google AdWords. Now, let me give you a brief summary of what Google AdWords is. Google AdWords is Google's own advertising service, which allows you to place search results for your own website or landing page. The search results for your product or service will appear on the search engine results page, or the SERP, which you would have to pay a certain amount to get your results displayed. Google AdWords is one of the easiest and most practical ways to generate traffic to your landing page. And contrary to popular belief, the steps are actually quite simple and not as pricey as many have perceived it to be. All you need is a Google account. Once you're logged into your account, click on Create Your First Campaign button. Then, there are 7 simple steps to kickstart your campaign. 1. Select your campaign type and name. 2. Choose the geographic location where you want your ads to appear. 3. Select your bid strategy and set your daily budget. 4. Create your first ad group and write your first ad. 5. Insert your keywords into the keyword field in your account. 6. Set your maximum cost per click. 7. Enter your billing information. Then, once you're set up, it's time to delve into the building blocks, which is understanding what makes Google AdWords work. Keywords. Selecting the correct and relevant keywords to direct the audience to your landing page is key. As the advertiser, you select a keyword that a searcher might type in when they search for their particular interest on the Google search engine. Then you create an advert that will appear on the SERP based on the keywords. Let's illustrate an example. When a person searches for travel packages to India on the search engine, adverts may appear alongside the search either at the top or on the right-hand side of the SERP. Organic search results will also appear among the ads where some people may or may not notice the difference between the two. When you choose to venture into the Google AdWords scene, bear in mind that you are not the only company wanting to serve adverts for that particular keyword or keywords. Other companies with a similar niche can also bid for a spot in the SERP. The truth is, if you want your ad to appear at all, you would have to compete against other marketers. The more you pay per click, the higher chance you have that your advert appears in the SERP. However, unlike real-life bidding, it's not just the highest bid for price that's taken into account for the projection of your ad. Google also measures your ad by a quality score. First, let's look into the bidding amount. There's no fixed rule for the bid amount that you should be paying. Different people will have different bidding prices, and at the end of the day, it's dependent on these 3 important factors, which are the type of campaign you're aiming for, the cost of your keywords, the success rate of your keywords. For example, let's say you've set your CPC bid to $1. You own an online clothing line shop and you make $10 from every purchase, and on average, 1 in 10 visits results in a purchase. As a result, you only break even as your advertising cost is equal to the profit you generate. Therefore, to gain profit, your CPC should cost you less than $1. Hence, choose a bid amount that works for you and the campaign that you're aiming for. Now, let's look at the quality score. Before your keywords can reach the results page, Google will evaluate the relevance and the usefulness of your selected keywords for ads. This is to ensure that your keywords are relevant to the users. Google also looks into the quality of your website. For example, if the user types in hand bouquets and your advert is "Purchase your hand bouquet here," once they click on your ad, they would expect to be directly led to a website selling hand bouquets and not a generic homepage, which is not good enough, and it's not what the user wants. You should take into account that the higher a bid for an ad word does not necessarily buy you to the results page display success. As a matter of fact, even if your rival's bid is higher, it's possible that you appear above their ad. The reason being is your quality score is better. Higher quality score, lower CPC. So focus on both cost and relevance.